Today we are going to learn a lesson my father taught me by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, Abdul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, known as APJ Abdul Kalam, is a renowned Indian scientist of international fame. He served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007 and was affectionately referred as the People's President. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram. As an aerospace engineer, he worked with Defense Research and Development Organization and Indian Space Research Organization. He became famous as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. Key role of India's Pokhran second nuclear test and 1998 needs a special mention. Padma Vibhushan 1990 and India's highest civilian award Bharat Ratna 1997. He has written several books. India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium 1998, Wings of Fire and Autobiography in 1990, Mission India 2005, My Journey Transforming Dreams into Actions 2013 are some of the famous books of Abdul Kalam. He was a very strengthful man, and is famous is the Missile Man of India. This is the a lesson my father taught me. This is a lesson is through a provoking essay written by APJ Abdul Kalam. In this short essay, Kalam narrates an incidents from his childhood in Rameshwaram. When he was 10 years old, the incident took place on the day when his father was elected president of Rameshwaram Panchayat Board. At that time, Kalam was a schoolboy. It was evening time, and Kalam was studying under ration kerosene lamps. As there was no electricity, Kalam was reading the lesson loudly. Suddenly he heard the knock at the door. His stranger came and asked him about his father. Kalam told him that his father had gone for everything namaz. The stranger told that he had brought something for his father. Kalam called his mother to ask her whether to accept it or not but as she was also on the namaz, there was no response. Hence Kalam told the person to leave the thing on the cot and continue his studies. After coming home, his father saw the tambulum kept on the cot and asked Kalam about it. Kalam told him about the stranger who dropped it. When he opened the cover of the tambulum, he found a costly dhuti, anga vastram, few silver cups, some fruits, some sweets, and the sleep that the person had left behind. He became very very angry, and Kalam got a through beating from him for the first time. He started weeping. His mother tried to console him. Then his father told him that not to receive any gift without his permission. He quoted an Islamic hadith hadith which states that when the Almighty appoints a person to a position, he takes care of his provision. If a person takes anything behind that, it is all these things is the very strangely, and in that time there are the Kalam father was gone everything, and this is the beginning of the life of the APJ Abdul Kalam. In this essay there are some difficult words. For example, integrity, the quality of being morality, good, wholeness or unity. Full-fledged, it means complete, having wing fathers large enough for flight. Happiness, cautions, feeling or showing pleasure, a result obtained by dividing one quantity by another. Civic of the city or lawn. Embrace, hold closely in your arms. It means willingly accept to support a change, etc. Console, it means comfort, time of grief, etc. This essay is learned to various things in about the Kalam's life. In this way, there are, according to Kalam's gift, is always the complaint by some purpose, and it is the dangerous thing. Thus, the incidents taught Kalam a very important lesson. There are some questions in answer in 100 words. The first question is the what principle helped Kalam to succeed and at the same time feel and sense of rightful achievement. Second is the on what basis what Kalam's father elected presidents of the Panchayat board. C. Why does the author specifically mention the day of the incident? D. Discuss the implication of the words of the hadith as quoted by Kalam's father. There are some 150 words, and it is also the three questions in their